Hi, this is Chris and welcome to Winemaker TV. If you like wine, if you like mead, if you like cider, and you want to learn how to make it for yourself, this is the place for you. If you are new here, please hit that subscribe button and the little bell notification so you'll know every time that I'll come out with a new video and a new wine. Today we'll be making a Pyment, so stay tuned. Today we'll be making a grape mead, also known as a Pyment. So it's 4 ingredients. A basic mead is 3 ingredients. You have water, yeast, and honey. Today we'll be having a water, yeast, honey, and grape juice. So let's go through what you'll need. All right, let's go over what you'll be needing today to make this Pyment. Of course, you'll need honey. I got 1.5 pounds of it. And I got a Welch's dark grape juice, Concord grape, no preservatives other than citric acid. You're going to need yourself an airlock and a fermenter, funnel to get the stuff into the fermenter. And I got a kettle full of warm water, just enough to get the sugar mixed up. And today I'll be using a Red Star Cuvee. So let's get started. First step, we're going to get the 1.5 pounds of honey into our fermenter. This is just store-bought honey. Like I said, we're going to have a 1.5 pounds. And a little trick to get the rest of that honey out of this bottle, go ahead and add you some of the warm water to it. So we filled about 1/4 of the way up with warm water. Shake it. All right, that's our honey. Now we're going to add the rest of this kettle of water. Okay, back from technical difficulties. The part of the fermenter today will be played by my bottling bucket, which is also going to dub as a fermenting vessel today because my water was a little too warm and I've never made mead in cold weather before, and it cracked my 1 gallon fermenter. So we're going to add my warm water. I like to keep it cold in here because of the lighting and all that. So it was cold enough to when the warm water met that cold ice, that cold glass, it cracked. It didn't shatter. Luckily, no mess was made. So you're going to add your grape juice next. So after you add your water and your honey, I go ahead. You can either stir it up now. I'm going to go ahead and add my grape juice. And because I had that glass fermenter, I usually shake up the glass and put the top on it. But now we're doing it in a fermenting bucket. I need my stainless steel spoon. So let me be right back. All right, we got our grape juice, our water, and our honey in here. So now it's time to stir it up. It's also going to get some oxygen in here. You can also add you some, I think I'm going to add some too. So I'm going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of peptic enzyme to help it clear. Also, I'm going to add some yeast nutrient, a 1/2 teaspoon of yeast nutrient to get this yeast taken off. So after I stir it up, I'm going to add the 1/4 teaspoon of peptic enzyme, and I'm going to add the 1/2 teaspoon of Fermax yeast nutrient. Now we have our must cooled down to room temperature. So now it's time to add our yeast. And I just sprinkle a whole pack right in. Red Star Premier Cuvee. You can give it a little stir if you want. Fermentation should start in the next 24 to 48 hours. Take about 7 to 10 days to finish fermenting, and then I'm going to move that over into a 1 gallon secondary. When my other one cracked, I have them stored in my storage building, which is pouring down rain, so I didn't want to go running in the rain right now. So when this is done fermenting, I'm going to transfer it to a gallon fermenter for a secondary. And that's how you make a Pyment. If you like what you see here, please hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so you'll know every time I come out with a new wine and a new video. Also, there'll be links in the description below to where if you need any ingredients, even if you don't need ingredients, every time you click one of those Amazon links, I'll get a commission on anything. Even if it's your normal purchases on Amazon, I will get a commission on that, and help me by doing that to help me buy more equipment and ingredients. This is Chris with Winemaker TV, and that's all there is today.